welcome to another episode of Obsessed Designs.
I'm Princess Masong, Head Designer and Creative Director at MAS, Masong Architectural Studio. I have been in the design industry for 3 years, but my family has been constructing buildings, houses, and renovating spaces for as long as I can remember. Well, I believe it runs in the blood, and this is my time. Stay with me as I share some of my project reveals, practical advices, and challenges every designer faces in this industry. I am Cez, and I'm obsessed with design.
Before we get into the walkthrough, let me show you first how I designed the studio condominium. Our client for this project is a corporation of 3 young professionals who invested in this unit to have it rented out for passive income. Their requirement for us is to provide all the spaces in a regular home fit into this not-so-tiny studio unit. That means regular kitchen, bathroom, dining area, and sleeping area. Our concept is minimalist with a warm tone to market the space to young professional renters as well. Now let's see how we made it happen.
Today, I will be touring you around one of our newly finished fit-out project here in Mandani Bay Suites in Cebu City, Mandaue. So let's start with the kitchen. So here in the kitchen, this is an existing space. So they already built in the cabinets. So all we had to do was put in the under lighting, the washing machine, the range hood, and the decors. Also the backsplash. Next, we have the bathroom. So here in the bathroom, we installed the tempered glass, the lights, this arch mirror, and then these shelves. So by the way, this unit is a 29.75 square meter studio unit. So we interior fitted the whole space. We placed a mirror here, and then here is the living area. So the requirements of the client is that they wanted to have a dining space, a living space, a sleeping space, all in one open area. So we have an L sofa for the living area, and then we have here the sleeping space. So it's side by side because of the small space. We have here the queen size bed, and then the living space and the sleeping space is the media console. We have here a vanity area, so you can have your makeup here, get ready, while the television is here beside it. So it's 2 in 1. And then also, this is my favorite part of this fit out. So this is the dining area slash bar. This table, as you can see, there is a little bit of space in there, but this table moves to the side like that so that you can get in it and then have a seat and then have a meal in here. So there could be 4 people at the same time. So we also have here some shelves for the liquors, so they can put in decors and liquors there. And then one of the requirements also from the client is that it should have ample storage. So what we did here is that we placed a cabinet for the shoes, so they can store their shoes here. And then one of the dilemma also is that where to put baggages, let's say huge bags. So that's why we placed a sliding door here with storage, and then this one can be taken out so that if you have big luggages, you can just show it here. Here in the media area, the reason why we have these lines in the mirror is because the clients for this project, there are 3 of them. 2 of them are Chinese, and they didn't want a mirror in front of the bed because it's bad feng shui. So that is the reason why we have these lines. So when they're sleeping, they can close it down, and then there's no mirror anymore. So the design concept for this also is that it's as if there is a window in this area, so that's why there is blinds. We have here the closet. A favorite part of the clients for this unit is this view. So this is the reason why they bought this unit, because of the view of Mandani Bay. So we featured this part here to be a mini library. So we have a sitting area, and then we also have shelves with which is full of books. So there you have it. I hope you liked this transformation. Please do subscribe to the channel and comment down below which part is your favorite. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!